Now we're going to look at how to use references in a research article. So let's say we're looking at a research article and we look at a statement that's presented as a fact from another paper. So for instance, look at this sentence highlighted in green, right? And so this discusses, this is a sentence just saying that a previous study was performed. And so it was done with an enzyme with nitric oxide, and this enzyme was deflavonated. So it makes a citation. So citation is the superscript number that comes after the sentence. So this number comes after the sentence to which it refers. And so if we want to look for more information about this, or be able to, or if we want to be able to critically analyze the information that comes after this sentence, which discusses this paper, this reference number 16, then what we're going to do is we're going to go down to the reference section. And often the reference section is at the very end of the paper, although it may be in different places depending on the journal that you're reading in. Okay, and so highlighted in green is the reference that is being referred to. Okay, and now we're going to break this down to see what all this information is. Okay. So again, here's the citation. The citation is the superscript number at the end, okay, and that refers to the reference. And then at the reference, we saw this, two lines of text. Right? So let's look at the different parts of the reference. The first is the number. So this is the reference number. So that's how we know within the text what reference is being referred to when we look at it. Highlighted in yellow is the author list. So this for this reference, it's last name and then first initial, last name, first and middle initial, so on and so forth. All right. Now, for our purposes, often what you want to do is you want to be able to you'll want to be able to find the paper that this refers to if we want to critically analyze it. And just to back up a second, the reference style that we're using here is the ACS style. So this looks a little different from what you might have seen in high school or college writing courses. And so the number is simply used to reference within the text and then the information for the research article. So this is, again, the ACS style, which stands for American Chemical Society. So the next part in this style of reference is the journal name. And so the journal name is called biochemistry. And depending on how long the journal name is, this may be abbreviated. Finally, highlighted in green is information that's really important for being able to find the article. So highlighted in bold is the year. The next number that's italicized is the volume number for the journal. And then the last number is the first page number. And sometimes this will also include the last page number within the reference. So with this information, we can find the paper we're looking for. So when you're on a computer, it's really simple because all you do is you can copy citation, paste it into Google or your preferred search engine. And the paper will often show up. So there are two places where you might find a paper. So for instance, PubMed, which is a search engine that is often used for biomedical research, has a good way of searching for papers. And it has a database of a lot of papers that are either funded by NIH research or biomedical related. And so here's the paper we're looking for. So this is the title. And it gives us two options. So we can either download through PMC. So this is offered again through NIH and through PubMed. And so what this gives is an open access and free paper, which gives the exact same information as the original paper, but it's formatted differently. If for some reason that doesn't work for you and you need the original publication, that's from the actual biochemistry journal website, then you can click on the other link, and then that takes you to the ACS website, which publishes the biochemistry, and then you can try to download the PDF. So this will not, because I'm not currently connected to a UCF network, it won't let me download it. It'll tell me that I need to pay. So you will never need to pay for papers, okay, because you are a student at UCF. So if you're connected directly to a UCF network, then when you click on the PDF link, it should automatically download. But if you're off of the UCF network, then you'll have to go through the library website in order to get access to this article. And I'll explain how to do that in the next video.